Welcome back to the Venom Motorsports. Today what I'm going to show you how to do is we're going to change a spark plug here in this Grizzly. This is a customer's unit. It's in for service, a little bit older. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pop the spark plug out, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So what you're going to have to do is come to the right hand side. I'll lower my camera. There we go. So this is our spark plug right here. You're going to need a 16 mil socket to get it out. This one's got a new spark plug in it already. I've already done it, but I wanted to do a quick video. Let's loosen that up. This one's also got an NGK spark plug in it, which is exactly what I want you to put in. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull it out. All right. So you'll see it's a little bit black. It's probably been driven in around the warehouse here. And it's a C7HSA. And that's what the 125cc's take. Like I said, this is a much better spark plug. But again, very easy to get out. Kind of give a wipe in there with your finger so there's no debris or anything. Seems nice and clean. So we're just going to put our spark plug back in. Now, when we put our spark plug in, it should turn in easily with your fingers. If you're turning it and it all of a sudden it doesn't feel easy, it feels really stiff right away at the start, something is not right. So you want to be able to just turn it in like that all the way to get it to there. Then we're going to put our 16 mil back on there. And when we tighten that up, we want to tighten it where it's snug like that, but not over tight so that you strip the threads on the head or on the spark plug. Just nice like that, and that's it. Put our spark plug wire back on, and that's it. And that's how you change the spark plug on a Grizzly 125cc ATV.